welcome back to Alita Entertainment. My name is Alita and I'm back with another video. Before we get into the video, subscribe, hit the like button, turn the notification bell on so you can get notified every time I post. So today I'm going to be doing packing bags with me to go to the beach. So tomorrow I am going to the beach. So yeah, my mom just told me my cousin Grace, she found a beach for us to go to. So we're gonna sleep over to her house and then we're gonna go to the beach with her tomorrow. So my mom said we have to pack our stuff to sleep over and to have our stuff ready for the beach. So yeah, I just thought it would be a perfect video to do packing bags with me for the beach. So yeah, let's start. I'm gonna be putting it in this bag. I'm not sure what bag, but this bag is big enough. So let me show you guys the bathing suit I have. Okay, so it says beach vibes on it. It's really pretty. It's a one piece, as you can see. It says beach vibes. So I'm gonna wear that to the beach because, you know, it's beach vibes. And what I'm gonna wear on top of it is these shorts I got from Walmart. Yes, Walmart, don't shade me. So yeah, these shorts I got from Walmart. They're really tropical and pretty, so yeah, it'll go perfect with that. And I have some shirts to match with it. It's all in my drawers. I have some shirts to match with it too. So like you see this orange peach shirt, and like it kind of goes with the color coding. It was like, look at this. It's two different colors, but I'm still deciding. Or I could do this yellow and this. But I don't want to do the yellow. I think I might just do this color. So like I'm gonna have this and this. And of course I'm not gonna be wearing underwear. So but like when we get home and take a shower, all that stuff, I have to like be able to have extra clothes and pajamas. So I'm gonna pack pajamas. Okay. So yeah, I got some pajamas here. Right here. So I'm gonna be packing these pajamas. They say nap time. So yeah, these are the pajamas. It's a pajama dress, if you can't see, and it's oversized because I get really hot. Because it's summertime, it's August, so yeah. This is what I'm gonna wear when I sleep over to her house. And I've been to her house plenty of times, so yeah. Nothing new. And if I get cold, I'm just gonna put this on. This is like a romper, yoga type of pants. It's so cute. So yeah. And I'm gonna be packing a little stuff. I have this deodorant. And I'm gonna be packing gel too. Even though I'm not hard, but still really pretty. And I'm gonna be packing this one's really pretty. I just brushed. I'm gonna put everything in there and I'm gonna be packing it up. Bras and hygiene stuff. But I wasn't wrong up in mine. 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 Gym shorts. These are like really short. Still hot, yeah. So of course, it's really, yeah, I'm getting shorts. So I have that, and I just have extra clothes just in case. So I'm gonna put these stuff in here. So yeah, my sisters are currently packing. So I have pajama set, clothes to wear on top of the bathing suit of course. And I'm gonna be bringing slippers. I'm gonna bring my Puma slippers to walk around the house. So yeah, my sisters are currently packing. So I have pajama set, clothes to wear on top of the bathing suit of course. And I'm gonna be bringing slippers. I'm gonna bring my Puma slippers to walk around the house. So guys, the video is about to end. Subscribe.